This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Eason. What a view! Looking for a beautiful home like this in a fabulous 55-plus community? Then look no further. The ARIA floor plan offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathroom, updated master bath, tile floors throughout, and loads of storage added including hanging garage shelves. Owners have added an expansive lanai including an attached outdoor paver patio perfect for your grilling area while overlooking the amazing lake views. Cascades LoHoA of $318 a month includes all your lawn care needs, full cable and high-speed internet, a gorgeous amenities center with resort-style pool, fitness center, clubhouse room for social events and activities, tennis courts, bocce courts and pickleball courts. With all the social groups and events, your calendar will fill up quickly and easy to make friends quickly. River Hall Country Club is right next door where you can enjoy pay-as-you-play golf and a fun night out with friends or family for dinner and drinks with no membership required. Come see what Cascades has to offer you. Call now for your private showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Susan Eason at 239-213-8555.